In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how easy it is now that we have a notification set up to access this in other scripts. So here's where we left off. We have our barrel explosion working. It kills all of our enemies, but we probably want this to do a few more things. For example, we probably want this to light up the screen, create more particles, maybe delete this object. There's a lot of things we could do. However, one of the most important things is I think we should balance this out in a gameplay-wise by making the player lose health whenever we use this ability. And so we now need to tie our explosion into our player health. So let's take a look at how easy this is. So this is just a few simple steps. Let's go into our enemy. Let's just copy the add observer explosion, jump over to our health script. All we need to do is paste this in exactly the same, create a new function, again, with that explosion name. And now we just need to run some code in here. So let's say that the health, we lose 1 health whenever we click that. So let's see, where are we? We've got 3 different health here. So whenever we get hit, we change the start health and the regen health. So let's just change both of these. So let's see. So whenever we have an explosion, we want the start health and the regen health. So let's say go down by 1. So we can just say minus, 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 semicolons on both of these. Save that out, and let's take a look. So now we can hit play, and let's keep an eye on our health here. Whenever we use this ability, now our health goes down. So you can see how incredibly easy this is to tie multiple scripts together with our notifications, and that's really the strength of the Notification Center, that it took us almost literally 30 seconds to add new functionality, and we only had to change code in a single location. And the single location was, of course, the place where the functionality needed to change. With other systems, we would have to go into our oil drum script, send it a new message, connect it to the health, so on and so forth. In this case, all we need to do is add it as an observer for that message or for that notification and run some code. So now that we've seen how easy it is to add in other scripts, let's continue building up our knowledge of the Notification Center by taking a look at how we can actually attach some information or data to our notification and send that along to all the observers, and then as an observer, how we can use that data to change what our code does. So we'll take a look at that in the next lesson.